Hello, this is Josh from Bioag. Today we're going to be putting together a 55-gallon recirculating reservoir. You need some basic parts: submersible pump, inline filter, a couple of valves. A parts list will be included in the description below. Please leave any questions in the comment section. All right, here we go. Okay, tool list. Start with one jigsaw with blades, one drill, one 3/4 inch hole saw, drill bits, one PVC cutter, PVC glue with primer, zip ties 10-inch, 4, one sharp knife, and one screwdriver. Okay, parts list. One submersible pump, one inline filter, 2 3/4 inch ball valves, 2 3/4 inch elbows, 2 3/4 inch slip to pipe thread, 2 3/4 inch slip to garden hose, 1 stick of 3/4 inch PVC schedule 40, 2 foot of 3/4 inch garden hose, 1 female garden hose end. Okay, start with your PVC. Cut 5 small 1 to 2 inch pieces. Measure twice, cut once. Always assemble your header dry before you glue it together so you know that it's going to fit what you're going to put it on and that everything is straight. Put one 8-inch piece of PVC on the intake, one 4-inch piece of PVC on the outlet. Attach your garden hose fittings to both your inlet and your outlet. All right, we got everything assembled. Now we need to install our anti-siphon valve at the bottom of our intake line to prevent siphoning through the system. Also, don't forget to install your Teflon tape on your threaded line from your threaded to your slip PVC. You just want to drill a small hole with the smallest drill bit you've got in your drill set. One header complete. Okay, we're ready to start assembling our barrel. I've already got a rough diagram of my lid and where I need to drill my hole for my centerpiece for my header, and away we go. Okay, start with drilling a pilot hole for your lid. Use a simple hole saw for your holes for your header, for your intake, and for your recirculating. There we go. One happy reservoir. Use a sharp knife to cut off the plastic burrs on the edge. Drill your holes parallel to each other for the zip ties to hold your header to the reservoir. And use at least 3 zip ties to attach it to the reservoir. Attach your pump to the bottom of the intake. This part can be tricky, have patience. Okay, here we go. We got everything put together. We've got our valves set to mix, off, on. All right, reservoir is mixing, and then when it's time to feed, hook up your watering wand or have your 5-gallon bucket.